Transform ChatGPT's responses. Clone any writing style with 5 simple steps. GPT 3.5. I'm sick of seeing dull ChatGPT responses on the internet. So I created a prompt to help clone any writing style in the free version of ChatGPT, GPT 3.5. Here's how to do it in 5 simple steps. Bookmark for future reference. Step 1. Collect and copy some samples of your writing. I write a daily AI newsletter, so we'll be using that as the writing sample. You can use emails, documents, essays, or anything else you've written. The key is to use your best writing pieces. ChatGPT will learn it. Step 2. Open ChatGPT and use this prompt. The prompt was too long for this post, but you can copy it from the image or get the full prompt inside my advanced ChatGPT guide. Sending it free to new subscribers right now. https://therundown.ai/subscribe. Step 3. Feed ChatGPT your sample writing. Type begin. Then paste your best writing pieces, and wait for ChatGPT's continue response before pasting more. You can train it with as little as 2 pieces, but the more writing you provide, the better the output will be. Step 4. Type finished when you're done. Once you've fed ChatGPT enough writing, I recommend 4 pieces minimum. Type finished to let ChatGPT know you're done. Step 5. Name your style. Since I used my writing pieces from my newsletter, I'm going with the rundown style. It doesn't matter what you name it, but it's best using something simple to remember. Example prompt. I want you to remember this style as the rundown style.